boys and girls, I'd like you to find your story that you began last week. It should have a cover with a picture that you drew, your name down here, and a title. My title is At the Cabin. Now, if you remember, we were getting ready to write stories about something that you did or something that happened to you. So far, we've planned the story by thinking of at least 2 things from that time. We've got the cover already and the title, and now in this lesson, we're going to begin your story by drawing and writing about one of the things that happened from what your story is about. So if you are writing about having a birthday party, all of your pages should be about that birthday party. There won't be a page about being at school because that wouldn't fit with your story. All of my pages are going to talk about going to the cabin. I won't have a story or a page in my story about going to the grocery store because that's not what my story is about. I'm going to show you my next page in my book, and we'll talk about what you will do too. Now, when I was writing or thinking about my story, about being at the cabin, one of the things that I mentioned was going on a kayak ride, or just kayaking around the lake. So I drew a picture of me in our kayak, paddling around the lake, and you can draw a picture of the next thing in your story. If your story is about going to that birthday party, you might want to make the next page say, we played games. And you could draw a picture of you playing a game. Since my story is about being at the cabin, my next page is going to be about kayaking. Now we're going to write a sentence about your picture. You'll notice lines at the bottom. There's a light gray line, then there's a middle line, and a dark line. This is like our ice cream paper, except it's not pink, yellow, and brown. So start your words right here. How do you begin a sentence? Right, uppercase letter. My sentence is going to say, I went kayaking. I have the I. Now make a finger space. When you write, listen for the sounds that you hear and write the letter that makes that sound. W, W, A, E, N, T. If there's a word you don't know how to spell, you can do just for now spelling and write the sounds you hear, or you could ask someone older to help you spell that word. I went kayaking. Finger space. Kayak starts with a K. And it's kind of a hard word to spell because some of the letters don't make the sounds that we're used to them making. Kayak-ing. Can anybody help me spell ing? You got it. I-N-G says ing, ing, ing. And a period at the end. All right, boys and girls, your job is to draw a picture of something from your story and write a sentence to tell about it. I can't wait to see these books when they're all finished. That will be awesome. And tomorrow we'll work on another page. All right, I'll let you get busy. See you next time.